How to install the demo version of the Trade Panel app. Download the demo version of the app. You'll find the link to the demo in the video description. Click the File button in the terminal's top menu and select Open Data folder from the drop-down list. In the window that opens, navigate to the MKL5 folder, then to the Experts folder. Install the downloaded file into the Experts folder. Right-click on the Navigator window and select Refresh. How to install the full version of the Trade Panel app. Purchase the Trade Panel app on the MKL5 website. You'll find a link to the full version with the purchase option in the video description. In the terminal's top menu, click Tools and select Options from the drop-down list. In the Settings, go to the Community tab and log into the terminal using the login and password for your MKL5 account you used to purchase the app. After successful authorization, in the Navigator window, go to the Market tab, then My Purchase. In the My Purchases window, find the Trade Panel app and click Install. Launching the Trade Panel. Enable auto trading for the terminal. In the terminal's top menu, click the Tools button and select Options from the drop-down list. In the Settings, go to the Expert Advisors tab and uncheck the boxes that disable auto trading. To place the Trade Panel app above a chart, right-click the chart and go to Chart Properties. In the Properties window, go to the Common tab and uncheck the Chart on Foreground option. In the Navigator window, right-click the Trade Panel application and select Attach to Chart. In the window that opens, go to the Common tab and check the Allow Algo Trading box. Go to the Input Parameters tab, enter a number for the Trade Panel ID parameter and click OK. If multiple trade panels are running on the same terminal, their ID parameters must be different. For example, let's say we're installing 3 applications in a terminal. We set the ID of the first application to 1. For the second application, we can't use 1 as the ID because it's already occupied by the first application, so we set it to any number other than 1, such as 7. For the third application, we can't use 1 and 7 as the ID because those numbers are already occupied by the first and second applications, so we set it to any number other than 1 and 7, such as 9. After launching the app, go to its settings and set the magic number parameter. If multiple apps are running on the same trading account, their magic numbers must be different. For example, set the magic number to 11 for the first app, 34 for the second, and 43 for the third.